We just took the water bus and we need to change this to another bus. That take us to Kinderjig. I think it's a very beautiful place. You see the people are waiting there. We are all going to the same place. I will take photos for you guys. Now I'm in Europe. It's a very beautiful place. Yeah. And with my wife and two daughters. It is their first time come to Europe, but it's my second time. So our next stop will be in different country like France and Germany, and maybe Belgium. Hey, by the way, I see a lot of people are there wearing the blonde hair, different blonde, balayage. 613 blonde, 24, 27. It's the branded blonde.